Hi guys, Toby here, and in this video you'll be learning how to make veggie turkey curry. Now the ingredients you'll need are turkey, garlic, onion, seasoning, this is optional, curry powder, Irish potatoes, and salt to taste. For the veggies, you could play around with any type of veggie you have available. For this I used scotch bonnets, green peas, runner beans, carrots, and green bell pepper. Now let's get started. To begin, you place the turkey in a pot. For this, I'll be using a medium-sized pot. Next, I'll add my minced garlic, onion, which has been chopped, salt to taste, crushed seasoning, to add that extra, but that is optional, curry powder, and water. We're going to use this to steam the turkey, okay? So you add the water and cover the pot. You leave this to cook for about 5 minutes. Then you turn down the heat from the burner and add the chopped potatoes. You cover the pot and leave to cook for about 15 minutes till the potato gets soft. We're going to use the potato as a thickener for this because it's going to be light, too light. So we need to thicken this. Now I'm going to remove some potatoes, not all, just a few of them. And these will be mashed or ground. For this, I'll be grinding this. You could mash it up if you have a fork too. Once it's ground, I'll add the pepper, and the ground potato back into the pot. Yes, looks good, doesn't it? Okay, so you mix this up and leave to simmer on low heat till it thickens. It's going to thicken. Once you're okay with the consistency, you add the green peas. You add the green beans chopped. You add the carrot. And the green bell pepper. Then you mix to combine all these together. Once you mix, you leave to simmer on low heat for about 3 to 5 minutes. And your turkey curry is ready. Now, as with any curry, I'll be serving this with rice. But you could serve this with anything you want to serve it with. I enjoy mine with rice. So I'm going to just put some onto the rice, place some on the rice, and let's try this out right now. Yummy. Another one. Perfect. Thanks for watching. Now, if you have questions concerning this tutorial, let me know in the comment section and let's get talking. Alright? Bye-bye.
If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss future posts. Until next time, bye-bye.